Welcome back. Now, another one of the free applications that you have available to you is going to be called Microsoft To Do. And if you come into your Microsoft 365 dashboard, you're going to click on To Do. And you're going to see Microsoft To Do open up. You are typically going to have to sign in to your account. Once you sign in, you will then have access to Microsoft To Do. And Microsoft To Do is a task manager that you can have access to on both your desktop and your mobile device. All you'll need to make sure that you have is your Microsoft 365 account in order to connect to what you're creating here in this area. We're going to click Let's Go. And what you can basically do is to manage your task in Microsoft To Do. For example, you can type in a specific task. You can then click Enter. You can then click on top of this task. What you can then do is you can add in a due date. You can add in a reminder for that due date. You can make it so that the task will be a repeating task or a one-time task. And you can tag your task with a specific category. If you want to add a file in association with this task, you can do it. So Microsoft To Do is a shareable task manager that is available to you inside of Microsoft 365. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.